Hello traders, in this video we are looking at the snake in borders indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool is built to highlight dynamic support and resistance borders around price, helping you see where price is snaking between key bands and when it may be stretching towards extremes. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks like in real time. Now the snake in borders indicator typically plots upper and lower bands or borders around price, forming a channel-like structure that price moves within. As you can see here, as the candles travel between these borders, you can see where price is oscillating near the middle of the range and where it begins to tall or test the outer edges, as in these cases. Touches or clusters of candles at the upper edge imply that price may be approaching a resistance-like zone, while repeated interaction with the lower border imply proximity to a support-like zone. The snake effect, which is this price moving or weaving between these borders, visually reflects whether the market is ranging, expanding, or compressing in volatility. As you can see here, the price candle moving or touching, or in our case, passing over the upper bound, which is the resistance band. Now to see more clusters, let's move on to the M5 and load this indicator. Now, if we move over to settings first, we can see its calculation period and volatility measure, which are the snake range and filter period, which are used to determine how far the borders are placed from current price. These sensitivity controls allow you to tighten or widen the border, which reflects how often price reaches them and how clearly ranges are defined. We also have its visual settings, which let you customize the colors and styles of the upper and lower borders so that easy to distinguish on the MT4 and MT5 chart. Now, who is this indicator for? This indicator, snakes in borders indicator, is suited to traders who like to trade within ranges, spot overextended moves toward dynamic support and resistance, or frame breakout attempts from clearly defined borders, as in the current situation on the chart right now. You can just get to it over here. This is a visual analytical tool only and does not execute trades. Strong directional moves or news events can cause price to break or ride the borders, creating false expectations if used on its own. Combining it with trend filters, oscillators, and solid risk management can help make better use of the border information. You can find the download link for the indicator in the description below. You can also read more about snake in borders indicator and see example setups at the Forex Geek website. Remember to subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.